Hello, let's attempt this question together. A town Y is 200 kilometers from town X in a direction 40 degrees. How far is Y east of X? Now this is a diagram showing the location of the two towns. This is town Y and this is town X. Town Y is 200 kilometers away from X in the direction 40 degrees. In bearing, you measure from north clockwise. Therefore, from this point to this point is 40 degrees. And the direction is outside the right angle triangle. This angle here is also alternate to this angle here. Therefore, since this angle is 40 degrees, this angle here inside the right angle triangles is 40 degrees as well. The question says we should calculate the distance of town Y east of X, and that is this distance here, X kilometers. Now, to get this distance, we are going to apply trigonometric ratio. Now, remember the trigonometric mnemonic. SOH CAH TOA. This is sine, opposite over hypotenuse. This is cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse. And this is tan, opposite over adjacent. In the diagram here on the board, two sides, only one side is provided, 200 kilometers. So we are looking for X. So we have one side and one angle. Therefore, we are going to apply the trig ratio sine, opposite over hypotenuse. So we are looking for opposite, hypotenuse is provided. Therefore, sine 40 degrees is equal to opposite all over hypotenuse, which is the same thing as x all over 200. Now this is the same thing as x is equal to 200 multiplied by sine 40 degrees. The value of sine 40 degrees is 0.6428. Therefore, x is equal to 200 multiplied by 0.6428. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 128.56 kilometers. Therefore, this distance here is 128.56 kilometers. Hello. Let's solve this question together. In a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is provided as 12 cm and the acute angle 35 degrees is also provided. The side opposite the acute angle is not provided, so we are asked to look for the length of the side opposite the acute angle. So how do we solve this problem? To solve this problem, let's recall the mnemonic SOH CAH TOA. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan is opposite over hypotenuse. In the diagram, the hypotenuse is provided. We have to look for the side opposite the acute angle. Opposite over hypotenuse, sine 35 degrees is equal to AB all over 12. And this is the same thing as AB is equal to 12 sine 35 degrees. AB is equal to 12 sine 35 degrees. Therefore, AB is equal to 12 times the sine of 35 degrees is 0.5736. AB is equal to 12 multiplied by 0.5736 is 6.88, which is the same thing as 6.9 cm. Therefore, the length of AB is equal to 6.9 cm. Look at this question closely. This is a right angle triangle. The hypotenuse is provided as 20 cm. One acute angle is provided, 50 degrees. The question says that we should look for the adjacent side of the triangle, and the adjacent side is AB. Therefore, if we apply trigonometric ratio, adjacent, which is the side we are looking for, over the hypotenuse, which is the side that is provided, is equal to cos 50 degrees equal to AB adjacent all over 20 the hypotenuse, the length of the hypotenuse. Now if we cross multiply, this will give us AB is equal to 20 cos 50 degrees. The value of cos 50 degrees is equal to 0.6428 approximately. 20 multiplied by 0.6428 is approximately 12.9 cm. Therefore, the length of AB, the adjacent side of the right angle triangle, is equal to 12.9 centimeters. Look at this question. A ladder leans against the wall. This is a ladder. The ladder leans against the wall, and the length of the ladder is 5 meters. And this is the wall, the vertical wall. The ladder makes an angle of 65 degrees with the ground. The question says we should look for the distance between the point where the ladder touches the wall and the ground, the level ground. So, and that is represented with the letter H. So we have to look for H. Now, so how do we get the value of H? The hypotenuse is provided. The angle that the ladder makes with the ground, 65 degrees, is provided. H is opposite to the angle. So if we apply opposite all over hypotenuse, this becomes sine 65 degrees is equal to H all over 5. Therefore, H is equal to 5 multiplied by sine 65 degrees. The value of sine 65 degrees is equal to 0.9063 approximately. Therefore, H is equal to 5 multiplied by 0.9063, where H is equal to 4.53 meters approximately. Therefore, the distance between the ground and where the ladder touches the wall is equal to 4.53 meters. Look at this question. Triangle ABC. Angles B is equal to 90 degrees. AB is equal to 7 cm. AC is equal to 25 cm. Angle C is not known. So in this question, we have to find the value of angle C. To get the value of angle C, we are going to use the sides of the right angle triangle that is provided. So AB, the side of the triangle opposite to theta, is provided. The hypotenuse is also provided. If we apply trig ratio, opposite over hypotenuse is sine theta is equal to 7 over 25, which is approximately 0.28. Theta is equal to arc sine 0.28. The value of arc sine 0.28 is equal to 16.26 approximately. The question says our answer should be in one decimal place, therefore theta is equal to 16.3 degrees. Theta is equal to 16.3 degrees.